Going Gear subscription box, another month go by, so let's do unboxing. This is a $200 subscription box, premium. So, see what inside. So there's everything we will get and how much it's worth. Looks like one item will be worth $225 and all these other things. So this is $225, $265, 95, 300, 315, 320, somewhere around there. We're going to get the wallet, and this is a John Mouse knife. That's a really good brand. Wow, high quality stuff. So Going Gear subscription box is actually all about high quality items. Instead of quantity, it's all about quality and high value items. That's what they focus on. So let's open first one. Ace Beam light where you want it. H16. I actually filmed that one already. That's so cool. This is one of those really nice flashlights, EDC flashlights. Check this out. This is perfect. This is a really nice flashlight. So it turns into a headlamp, or it can clip up onto the backpack strap. That is so cool. And lumen is 1000 up to 1000, and 5 lumen 58 hours will last runtime. And on turbo 1000 to 300 is looks like 45 seconds plus almost 1 hour 45 minutes. So I think it can only run for 45 seconds, then turn it off, cool off, run it again. And 310 lumens for 2 hours. Beautiful, very nice flashlight right here. Okay, what else we got here? Let's go with the smaller stuff first. Patch. Oh, that's cool. Peel and stick, easy to apply. Patch and go. No sewing or ironing. Oh wow, so it's like a patch and close or whatever. That is cool. I like it. Oh wow, slice with the ceramic blade. This is like a EDC folding knife with slice ceramic blade. Yep, I have made videos of ceramic blades. It's not very sharp. It will not cut to skin, so no accidents, but it will cut to boxes easily, not just tape, boxes and everything else. This is a good tool right here. Okay, let's keep on going. There are a couple of stickers. Oh, bare minimum locking set, like pick and lock. That's cool. And a giant mouse, $225. That's all of this is cost $200 for subscription. Let's open it. Let me get a knife. The easiest way to open it is this way. I'm really excited about this knife. I don't think I have anything by John Mouse, and this is a nice Ace Ground Green Canvas MT90 steel. MT90 steel is really good. Ooh, look at that. I like that. Handle material. There's a clip. What is this? Wow, interesting. How do we open it? Ooh, that's smooth. Okay. Ace. Our mouse logo. MT90 steel. What is it called? Liner lock. There it is. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that is so smooth. Very nice. Spider flick. Left-handed. I feel like this is a left hand, right-handed. For some reason, spider flick for me is like easier with left hand. I don't know why. Maybe overthink with the right hand. Look at that. Very good. So I think this is like a linear hole, and it's a right or left hand clip replaceable, movable. Very nice, high quality. I like that knife a lot. Just perfect for everyday carry. So all that will pay for itself. $200. It's actually $25 discount here. And then this flashlight is very good. Ace Beam A16 is $40 minimum. Let's scan it on Amazon, see how much it sells for, just to double check. And we come up $29. It's on sale right now. So still $29 for this one. Sometimes they go on sale, but it used to be actually $50, and that's just Amazon plus 20% off. That's a good deal right here. Here's one of the most popular dealers, Blade HQ, $225. That's what it sells for, a high rated knife. This is a good knife. So even though this one went on sale on Amazon, we still already $55 discount compared to buying it by itself. Then let's scan this. And that Amazon sale will not going to last forever. This is $28 by itself. So we're almost like $108 above market value. And this says $29. On Amazon it is $28.50. So yeah, they're pretty accurate with their values, which is really nice. Take a picture and let's see, it will pop up. One patch is like about $10. Yep, there it is, $9. And they said here $13. That's about right. So for $200, over $300 value. Amazing subscription box. I don't think I've seen another subscription with such a high quality items and such a good value for $200. We're saving almost $100. That's amazing.